The rental market has changed, and for landlords, the rules have tightened. The Renters' Rights Act has introducing stricter standards, tighter controls, and increased responsibility. More compliance, more admin, more risk. From higher maintenance expectations to reduced control over your property, even small issues can lead to costly consequences. Managing a traditional tenancy is no longer as straightforward as it once was. At Grandkey Residences, we offer a simpler, more secure alternative. Instead of renting to individuals, you rent directly to us. We take your property on a commercial company let and manage everything. We become your single reliable tenant while operating the property with our guests. No tenant issues, no rent chasing, no ongoing management stress. Up to 20% of the rent supports light maintenance. Regular inspections ensure high standards, and compliance is handled for you. With long-term agreements, predictable income, and minimal involvement, you stay protected while your property is professionally maintained. This isn't reacting to change, it's staying ahead of the curve. To see if your property is suitable, include your property detail and we'll guide you through the next steps. Email powerteam@grandkey-residences.co.uk.
A straightforward way to stay ahead of the curve.